Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to steam fish the Jamaican way. Prepare your fish by scaling it, then wash it with lemon juice. Some people like their fish whole or cut in half or just fillet. Now we are going to prepare our powdered seasonings. I am using our local Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix, salt, black pepper, garlic powder if you like, or any other fish seasoning you like. Next, I prepared some extra pieces of pumpkin to help thicken the gravy. Then we are going to prep our fresh herbs and vegetables. I used scallion, onions, green peppers, carrots, okra, thyme, and fresh garlic. Then we are going to season our fish with the powdered seasonings. First, sift the Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix to remove the noodles because I like it without the noodles, but some people like it with the noodles. Then we are going to lightly season the fish with salt, black pepper, pumpkin flavored powdered mix, and garlic powder. Remember to season both sides of the fish and also the inner part of the fish. You can also add pimento for added flavor and spice. This is a popular Jamaican spice. You can crush the pimento or add it whole. We are going to pre-cook the pumpkin by boiling it for 10 minutes. This is how it should look after boiling. Then remove it and blend. The pumpkin mixture will help with thickening the steamed fish gravy. After that, add oil to your saucepan. Then add your fresh vegetables, spices, and the pumpkin mixture. Let it cook for about 5 or 7 minutes. Finally, add your fish and let everything cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. You can enjoy the steamed fish with rice, dumplings, yam, green banana, crackers, vegetables, bread, and anything you like. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.